Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Terabox app notifications, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to turn off the Terabox notifications, guys, we'll be going through the settings of the phone and not the Terabox app itself. And with that being said, guys, let's go to the settings of our phone. And after opening the settings of your phone, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for you. Just above the location, you can see the apps option available for us. Tap on apps and you land over here, and again tap on the app management button at the top of the screen, and again you land over here where at the top of the screen you can see the search bar available for us. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Terabox over here. And after searching for Terabox, guys, the Terabox app will be available for us. Tap on the Terabox app and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the manage notifications options available for us. Tap on the manage notifications option over here, whereas on this interface at the top of the screen you can see there is the allow notifications option available for us. Now, in order to turn off Terabox notifications, simply tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the allow notifications option over here, and when that turns off, all of the notifications from your Terabox app will be disabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off Terabox app notifications. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.